This is heavy duty 3.8 meter cutting less computer pencil, which heavy duty, and let me show you the machine details. This computer, which has English, is a cutting software. This control panel, and this here can input USB. You can input your cutting list by here, and this computer also can connect the internet, Wi-Fi or internet, both okay. This is a floating table, 4 pieces. This working bench will ensure the panel won't be scratched when cutting. And this is when your hand put here, the machine will stop working. Will ensure your worker's hand won't be injured. And this also in the emergency stop. And this is the saw blades, both controlled by air pneumatic, easy to change. And for this limit switch, when we open this door, the machine will stop working. Also will ensure your workers' safety. For machine on the computer has the emergency stop. This one, and here also has emergency stop. This can be worked. This can be moved. This also emergency stop. Let me show you the holding gripper. Here are the holding grippers. All are the heavy duty. For 3.meter machine has 12 pieces, which meaning working size is 45 millimeter. Here is the machine backside. This is the holding grippers, the feeding system. This is the electric part of this machine. All the main part is import. Some from Taiwan, some from Japan, Germany. These high quality parts will ensure the machine cutting precision and long-time stable use. Here are the electric parts, which I just show you on the paper. This is the PLC, is Mitsubishi. This is the servo motor controller, is also Mitsubishi. This is from Taiwan Shilin, is also Mitsubishi. And this is the Schneider. This is the sewing motors. Two saw blade controlled by the two motor, and this saw carrier is controlled by this servo motor, which forward and backward by the servo motor, so will ensure the cutting precision. This two saw blade is controlled by the two motor which I just showed.